Now we're going to learn how to set up discounts and coupons for your Shopify store. Offering discounts is a fantastic way to attract customers. Alright, first things first, let's make sure we are logged into your Shopify admin. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to head over to the left side of the screen and click on discounts. This is where all the magic happens, so to speak. Now, when you're in the discount section, you see a button at the top right corner that says Create Discounts. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be presented with a few options here. Now it's time to set up your discount code. This part is pretty exciting because you get to decide what your code will be. In the discount code field, enter a unique code that your customers will use. It could be something catchy and easy to remember. You can get creative with this, but make sure it's something that will stand out to your customers and be easy for them to type in. Next, we need to choose the type of discount you want to offer. Shopify gives you a few options here. For our example today, let's go with a percentage discount. So select percentage and then enter the discount value. Let's say we want to offer a 20% discount. You'd enter 20 in the discount value field. It's that simple. Alright, now that we've got our discount code and the type of discount, it's time to set the conditions. This is where you decide how and when this discount can be used. So let's take it step by step. First up, we have the minimum purchase requirements. This is a great way to encourage customers to spend a little more to qualify for the discount. You can set a minimum amount spent or a minimum quantity of items. For example, if you want to offer 20% off for orders over $50, you'd set that here. So in the minimum purchase amount field, enter 50. This means the discount will only apply if the customer's order total is $50 or more. Next, we can limit the discounts to specific products or collections. This is super useful if you're running a promotion on certain items. To do this, just click Add next to specific products or specific collections and choose the items or collections you want to include. For example, if you have a summer collection you want to promote, select that collection here. This way, the discount will only apply to items within that collection. Now, if you want to make this discount available only to a certain group of customers, you can do that too. Under Customer Eligibility, you can choose Everyone, Specific Group of Customers, or Specific Customers. Maybe you have a VIP customer group or a mailing list subscribers group. You can target these specific customers by selecting the appropriate options. Now let's move on to usage limits. This is an important step because it helps you control how many times the discount can be used. You can set a limit on how many times this discount can be used in total or how many times it can be used by each customer. For instance, if you want each customer to use the discount only once, you'll want to set the limit to 1 use per customer option. This is great for specific promotions where you want to encourage as many customers as possible to take advantage of the discount, but only once. Simply check the box that says limits to 1 use per customer. You can also set a limit on the total number of times the discount can be used. Maybe you're running a limited time offer and you only want the first 100 customers to get the discount. You can set that up by entering 100 in the total number of uses field. This way, only 100 customers have used the discount. It will no longer be available. Now, setting active dates. So the next step is setting the active dates for your discount. This is when your discount will be valid and available for customers to use. In the active dates section, you set the start date and time. Click on the calendar icon and select the date you want the discount to start. You can also set the exact time if you want to be precise. For example, if you're launching a weekend sale, you might want to set the start date to Friday at midnight. You can also set an end date and time if you want these discounts to expire. This is useful for limited time promotions or seasonal sales. Again, click on the calendar icon and choose the end date. Maybe your weekend sale ends on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Set that here to make sure the discount is only available during the specified time frame. Now, alright, we've entered all the details for our discount. Now it's time to review everything to make sure it's all set up correctly. Go through each section and double check your entries. Make sure the discount code is correct and the discount type and value are what you want, and the conditions and usage limits are set properly. Once you're happy with all the settings, it's time to save your discount. Click on Save Discount. Your discount code is now active and ready for your customers to use. You can share this code through your marketing channels like email newsletters, social media, or directly on your website. Let your customers know about the discount and how they can use it to save on their purchases.